Okay, so now I have all 9 rounds done. If you can't remember what round you're on or what row, if you look at the bottom, you can see like that little donut is round 1, so you can count 1. And then this little lump is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's row 9. Probably don't need this right now. Just pull up a loop so that your stuff doesn't come apart. Now we're going to put the eyes on. So this will be the bottom of the pumpkin. And you're going to put the eyes between row 7 and 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're going to put it in this line right there. So just pick, like, you can see there's kind of a hole right there. Just pick a hole, stick the eye through, and then if you count over like 4 stitches, so this would be 1, 2, 3, 4, keep like 4 between them, so you're going to want to go in this hole right here, stick that eye through, unless you want them closer or further apart, totally up to you. And then you just stick the backs on like this. Just give them a good push, they'll click on and they won't come off. Okay, so your eyes are on. Then you're going to sew on the mouth. So we'll take some black yarn, put like that. Get your needle, thread it through, and then kind of pick where you want your mouth or what you want it to look like. I usually do it like this. So maybe like right here. Oops. Leave enough to tie it with. And then, you know, kind of down the middle. And then wherever it's going to be about the same on this side. Pull that through. And then back down here. And then you can pull it up. Like that. You can just pull that needle off. So it looks pretty good. And then you can just tie a knot in the back with the 2 ends. You can trim it or leave it. Sometimes I trim them, sometimes I leave them because it's going to be stuffed inside anyway. So now you got your eyes in your mouth. If you don't want eyes in a mouth, you don't have to use them either. Totally up to you. Alright, next we're going to start decreasing stitches, so it's going to start going up again, going in. You can put your stitch marker back in so it's easier to keep track. So just like that. So to decrease, we're going to decrease in the first 2 stitches, so this is a decrease. So you see the top of your stitches here. There's 2 lines. You're only going to go through the front, so like this. Instead of going through all of them like that, you're just going to go through the front to decrease. So you're going to hold your yarn, and you're going to go up through that first one, and then you're just going to kind of hold this down, and you're just going to swoop right under and go up through the second one. You probably have to use your fingernail to get it. The decrease is kind of tight. So now you have 2 on your hook plus your loop, and then you're going to do just a regular single crochet. So grab it from behind, wiggle it through, 2 on the hook, grab it from the front, pull it through both. So that was your decrease, and now you're going to single crochet in the next 3 stitches. So that was your decrease. So now you're going to do a single crochet in this one, and the next one, and the next one. Okay, now you do another decrease. So you're going to do these 2 stitches together. So hold your loop, go up through that, just the front one, and then just swoop right under to the front of the next one. Pull your loop through, and then pull another loop through these 2. So that was your decrease. So now you've made 2 stitches into 1 stitch, so it's going to make it smaller. And then single crochet in the next 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. And then another decrease. So there's our 2. Up through the front. Swoop right down. Grab the next one in the front. Pull a loop through. Pull a loop through. And then single crochet 3. Okay, another decrease right here and right here. Oops. Okay, grab a loop, pull it through. Grab a loop from this way, pull it through. And then 3 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, and then the last decrease till you get to your stitch marker. So these 2, front loop only, up through that one, right down and up through this one. Shit. Pull it through both, and then 3 single crochets. And that's the last one.